One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. Doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.